Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn a new topic, degrees of comparison, junior inter, useful for both AP and TS. Very interesting topic, very useful topic in our real life, day-to-day life, real life situation also, daily communication also. This topic helps us a lot. So we use adjectives to compare one person to another person, one place to another place, one thing to another thing, means one noun to another noun. When we compare one noun to another noun, we use adjectives, and this topic deals with adjectives. This topic revolves around adjectives only. So what is adjective? It's a describing word. Adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun, which tells something about noun or pronoun. So adjectives are two types. Broadly speaking, there are two types: gradable adjectives, non-gradable adjectives. So what are gradable adjectives? They can be graded. They can be graded. How we are grading our marks? A grade, B grade, C grade, like that. So they can be graded. On the other hand, some adjectives, very few adjectives, they are non-gradable adjectives. We can't grade them. They are fixed. They don't have any other form. On the other hand, they have other forms. So they are changeable. They are not changeable. They can't be changed. Okay? They are fixed. For example, you take one adjective clever. Clever, the next step is cleverer, and the last step is cleverest. Okay? Fast, faster, fastest. Rich, richer, richest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Important, more important, most important. Useful, more useful, most useful. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst, like that. So they are changing their forms, change of forms. Okay, here no change of forms, they are fixed. They have only only one form only. Round means round only. For example, square means square only. Triangle means triangular only. Perfect means perfect only. Favorite means favorite. Unique means unique only. More favorite, more perfect, most perfect, more unique, most unique. No. So Kalam was a more unique person. No. Kalam was the most unique person. No. Kalam was a unique person. English is my most favorite language. No. Favorite language. Only favorite language. So nothing, we have nothing to do with non-gradable adjectives, nothing to do with non-gradable. So we have to discuss, we have to consider, we have to take care of these gradable adjectives. Now we are going to discuss. For example, look at these three statements. My brother is a clever student in the class. My brother is a clever student in the class. Second one, my brother is cleverer than your brother in the class. Okay. Third one, my brother is the cleverest student in the class. Okay. In the first statement, I am talking about only one student, my brother. I am talking about my brother. Okay. So he is not compared to any other person. Okay. No comparison. Here, no comparison. Here in this statement, my brother is compared to your brother. So two persons are compared. On the other hand, in the last statement, my brother is the cleverest. He is the topmost. He is the first ranker. All the students are compared. In class 20, 30, 40, more than two are compared. Here there is no comparison. Here only two are compared. Here more than two are compared. When there is no comparison, the adjective is said to be in positive degree. What is that? Positive degree. Okay? When two are compared, only two are compared, the adjective is said to be in comparative degree. And many, more than two are compared, the adjective is said to be in the superlative degree. So clever is the adjective, here cleverer is the adjective, here cleverest is the adjective. This is the first one, plain form, first form, lowest form, positive degree. This is the middle one, comparative degree. This is the highest form, superlative degree. So superlative degree is greater than, comparative degree is greater than positive degree. This is the highest one, this is the lowest one. This is the relation between among these three. Okay, positive, comparative, superlative. Now we move on to the exercise. Okay, so exercise we have some types, type 1, type 2, type 3, some types are there. Okay, first we move on to the first type, type 1. Okay, type 1, please write down type 1. Yes, type 1, first one. Yeah, Asia is the largest continent in the world. Largest continent in the world. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Tell me, where is the adjective? Tell me, where is the adjective? Largest is the adjective. Which form is given here? Largest. EST. EST means superlative degree. Superlative degree. The is also there. Article the is used only in SD. Now in the exam, so you will be asked to convert it into comparative and positive. Equivalent comparative and equivalent positive. So how to write? So look at the board. This is the answer. Asia is the gone largest. One step down, larger. Larger. Comparative degree. Larger. The becomes than, larger than any other continent. Any other continent in the world. Okay, any other continent in the world. Asia is larger than any other continent in the world. Larger. This is ER, this is EST, this is ER. EST means superlative, ER means comparative degree, and then comes only in comparative degree. The comes only in superlative degree, then comes only in comparative degree. Now the last one, positive degree. How to write the positive degree? See how to write the last one, positive degree. No other. Begin with no other. So this structure is very important. No other continent in the world is, no other continent in the world is, so larger. Positive one, the plain one, the first one is large. Large. So this side one conjunction as we have to use, right side one as, left side one as large as. No other continent in the world is as large as. We are talking about one continent, that is Asia. So Asia we have to write. This is called positive degree. This is called positive degree. Right? So no other continent in the world is as large as Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia is larger than any other continent in the world. No other continent in the world is as large as Asia. Okay. Similarly, take another one. Kolkata is the biggest city in India. Kolkata is bigger than any other city in India. No other city in India is as big as Kolkata. Like that we have to write. Mukesh Ambani is the richest person in India. Mukesh Ambani is richer than any other person in India. No other person in India is as rich as Mukesh Ambani. Okay, so how to start? So what kind of words we have to use? This structure is very important. This structure is very important. In the exam, SD is given, CD or PD you will be asked to write, or PD will be given CD or SD. CD is given SD or PD, anything, in any way. They won't tell you this is type 1, this is type 2. They won't tell you. Change the adjective into comparative. Change the adjective into superlative. Like that only they will tell you. Now come to type 2, second type. So this is type 1. Okay. Now come to type 2. Okay. Right. Second type. I write one sentence in second type. Okay, right. So first one example. Abbots is one of the busiest places in Hyderabad. Okay, shortcut Hyderabad. Abbots is one of the busiest places in Hyderabad. So tell me, locate the adjective. Where is the adjective? Busiest. Which form is given? Superlative form. St is there, the is also there. So sd. Then what is the difference between type 1 and type 2? Earlier we discussed type 1. Type 1, type 2, what is the difference? So one of the. There only the is there. In type 1 only the is there, but here one of the is there. That is the difference. Okay, so this is called plural comparison. The first one is singular comparison. This is called plural comparison. So how to change? Here, how to change it into CD and PD? How to convert it into CD? CD answer. So same, almost same. Abbots is one of the gone. Busiest becomes busier than. The becomes than. Earlier we wrote any other earlier, but here we have to write many other. That is the difference. Many other places in Hyderabad. Okay, this is called comparative degree. Abbots is busier than many other places in Hyderabad. Earlier in type 1 any other we wrote, but now we have to write many other or most other. Both are correct. Most other also correct. Okay. Now how to write positive degree, PD? How to write? Very few. We have to begin with very few places in Hyderabad are plural. Very few places. That's why are. So here busier, positive is busy. Right side one as, left side one as busy as. Very few places in Hyderabad are as busy as Abbots. We are talking about Abbots. That should come here. This is called positive degree. Okay, very few places in Hyderabad are as busy as Abbots. Okay, understood now? Understood? William Wordsworth is one of the greatest English poets. William Wordsworth is greater than many other or most other English poets. Very few English poets are as great as William Wordsworth. This is type 2, not type 1. Type 2. One of the is there. Many other, most other, very few. This is type 2. So on seeing the sentences, we have to identify immediately. This is type 1 SD. This is type 2 CD, like that. It requires practice, definitely. So it requires practice. Only practice makes you perfect. Now we move on to the next one, type 3, last one, type 3. So here it is called dual comparison. Type 3 is called dual comparison. Following all of you, this is called dual comparison. Type 1 is called singular comparison. Type 2 plural comparison. This type 3 is called dual comparison. Dual means only two. So between two, only two are compared. Only two are compared. For example, Vijayawada is hotter than Hyderabad. Hotter than Hyderabad. Vijayawada is hotter than Hyderabad. Okay. So where is the adjective here? Hotter than. So CD. But two places are compared. So this is type 3 CD. Type 3 CD, not type 1, type 2, type 3 CD. Because two nouns are compared. Dual comparison. So here CD2 first PD. positive degree. How to convert it into positive degree? Okay, Hyderabad, it comes first. Hyderabad is not positive to negative, negative to positive. Not hotter, positive, hot. Here one so, either one so, one as, either one as. Right side one as, left side also called so hot as. As hot as, so hot as. Vijayawada comes this side. Last. Vijayawada. This is positive degree. Okay, positive degree. Hyderabad is not as hot as Vijayawada. Either way, same answer. A is greater than B. B is smaller than A. Both are same. A is the father of B. B is the son of A. Both are same. Both give the same meaning. Same here also. Okay, Hyderabad is not as hot as Vijayawada. Shakespeare is greater than William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is not as great as William Shakespeare. William Wordsworth is not as great as William Shakespeare. Pen is mightier than sword. Sword is not as mighty as pen. As mighty as pen. The USA is more developed than the UK. The UK is not as developed as the US, the USA. I am not as clever as you. I am not as rich as you. I am not as smart as you, like that. Okay. So this is CD, this is positive. PD. Then what about SD? SD. Here in type 3, only two are compared. We can't write SD. We can't write SD. So note, there is no SD. There is no SD in type 3. There is no superlative degree in type 3. In superlative type 3, in type 3, there is no superlative degree. We can't write superlative. We have only two, PD and CD. If CD is given, PD we have to write. If PD is given, CD we have to write. That's it. So type 1, type 3 are very, very important. First and last, in the exam point of view, first and last are very, very important. So take some examples from your exercises, from your textbook, from your material. On your own also you can take. This hotel is better than that hotel. This room is bigger than that room. Our college is bigger than their college. Our college is the best one. Our college is the smallest one, like that. You take some own examples and you change them into various other degrees. Okay, I hope that this video is very useful to you. Very easy topic. Please practice it perfectly. You can score full marks here. Thanks for watching my videos. I request all of you to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.